Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to dropship from Temu to eBay. So this tutorial is actually a manual labor. So if you're looking for something that would help you to dropship product without any hassle, then this video is not for you. But of course, to tell you honestly, this is the only method that we have in order to dropship product from Temu. Okay, so that is why it is a manual labor, so you have to put an effort for this one in order for you to do the dropship. Okay, so now first thing that you should do is you have to go to Temu and then look for the product that you want to dropship to your eBay store. Okay, so for example, we're going to look for a product that we are going to dropship. So a phone case will do. So I'm just going to look for phone cases. So maybe I am going to choose this one. So just make sure that the product that you are going to dropship to your eBay store is selling well on Temu, or a trend product. So I want to dropship this one. So what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you get all of the details of the product that you are going to dropship. So including the name of the product, the details, the description of the product, the price, and then of course the variant and the name of the product. Okay, so let's just leave this tab for now because we are going to use the details of the product like later on. So what you're going to do next here is you have to download the relevant images of the product that you are going to dropship. Okay, so how things are going to work. So right here, this is the Temu store, and then this is you at the center, and then here is your eBay store, and then your customers. So what you're going to do is you have to display all of the products that you want to dropship or that you want to sell on your eBay store. So you'll get all of the images of the product from Temu, the information, and then you are going to publish it on your store manually, since there is no other way on how to dropship a product from Temu to eBay. So what you're going to do is you have to display all of this product to your eBay store. Then when customers saw your product on your eBay store and then they would like to purchase that specific product, and of course if they purchase the product, they have to give you their full details, including their address, then the payment method. So now let me just download the relevant images of this product that I am going to dropship before we continue. So let me just save this one to my folder. Okay, so maybe I'm just going to use 3 of this product's images. Let me just save this one. And now I'm going to my eBay store, and then I just have to simply click on the sell option. Okay, so when you click on it, you would be able to see this list an item option. Okay, so right here, make money selling on eBay. So you just have to simply click on this list an item. Right here, you can start your listing. So you just have to tell them about the product that you are going to list. For example, phone case. And then when you click on search, you would be able to see here relevant products that you can list immediately. But if you would like to create your own product, and if you didn't find a match or a relevant post of your product, then you can continue without match. Okay, so you just have to click on continue and then select the condition of your item. So of course, just have to select new and then continue to listing. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then right here, you just have to complete your listing. So we are going to start from uploading photos or videos of the product that we are going to dropship. So let me just upload all of those 3 pictures that we have downloaded from Temu. Okay, so let me just find the other one. Then just click on open. Then if you would like to upload your videos, so you can do this as well, just have to click on this one over here. Then what you're going to do, of course, the title of the product. So I'm just going to retitle this one. Then type out iPhone case. And then next is you just have to fill out all of this information over here. You also have the item category, so you can edit this one. Then of course the item specifications, and then you have here the brand if you would like to add a brand, and then the type. And then for the additional info, so this one is optional over here, so you can fill this out or you can simply leave this one. But for now, let me just fill this out before we continue. So let's start with the brand, with the UPC. Okay, so let me just scroll up, and then you can also enter here the number. So let me just skip this one and go to the character. So here, frequently selected, I'm going to select max. And then for the features, so you can select here the features of the product. And then the color, you have here the multicolor. And then the material used for this product. And then the compatible model, so you have to select all of the compatible model over here. And then the design or finish. And then you also have here the items included. And then after filling out all of this, we can now proceed to the description box. So what you're going to do is you have to go back here on Temu or the product that you are going to dropship. And then you just have to look for the product description. So you just have to simply copy it. And then you just have to paste it over here. And then if you think the description is too short, then you can add your own description. You can use different online tools to do that. For example, ChatGPT. Then here for the pricing, of course, you have to select buy it now option for the format. And then here you have to type out your price. So maybe you have to raise the price about $2. And then you have to type it right here the quantity. And then if you have offers, then you can also toggle the switch on for this allow offers option. Then for the minimum offer, $30, and then the auto accept is $50. And then if you would like add volume pricing, so you can also toggle the switch on over here. So you're gonna explore these things, and then if you think you're good to go, then you just have to simply click on the list it option. Okay, if you've successfully filling out all of the needed information or details, then you can successfully list this product. So now when your customer visit your eBay store and then they are going to purchase that specific product, then what you're going to do is you will be the one is going to order on Temu, and then you just have to simply type out their address, the payment method, and then all of the important things so that the item will arrive to their location. And then after that, of course, since you have raised the price of the product, then you'll get your commission. But I suggest if you are doing this method, you should not raise the price of the product too much. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.